Okay, so like we talked about yesterday, that big word, expectations. If you have expectations, okay, what are those, another word for those? Who remembers? Remember a shorter word we talked about yesterday? Your rules, right? Your rules are your expectations.
Yes.
So where did we learn about expectations yesterday? Where do we have expectations when we're at school?
In the music room?
We have it in the music room. We went to music yesterday. We have at Encore, so at all of the Encores. So at music, at art, at gym, at library. All those places have expectations. Where else do we have expectations? To make sure that we're safe. In the hallway. Good. What are some of those hallway expectations?
Stay where you're supposed to be.
Yeah, stay on the right side of the hallway and follow those arrows. Good. That's a really, really important one, especially right now when we're supposed to be keeping good distance from each other, right? Where's another place that we have expectations? What are we in right now?
Classroom.
The classroom. We have classroom expectations, right?
Classroom rules.
Right. Classroom rules or expectations. That kind of means the exact same thing, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Where's another place we have expectations?
In the bathroom.
In the restroom. Good.
And even in the office.
Right. So in the restroom, it's important to know the expectations of how to use it in our classroom, but also how to use it in the big bathroom down there as well, right? Okay, is there any place else that we talked about expectations to keep us safe? Where did we just go outside and practice?
We playground.
Yeah, so do you think the playground and recess has some expectations?
Yes.
Yes, definitely.
Expectations is rules, actually.
Right, and that keeps us safe?
It keeps us safe, not lost.
Right. Okay, so where else? What are we going to do in a little bit when we get our lunch boxes out?
Recesses.
Well, before recess, when we get our lunch boxes out. What is that called?
Watch the TV.
You're eating lunch, right? So doesn't lunch have some expectations?
Yeah.
Because remember yesterday when you guys were eating your lunch, what happens if something dropped on the floor?
Pick it up.
Yeah, you pick it up, right?
You pick it up, not just eat it on the floor.
Exactly.
Get sick.
And you throw it away because that's the safe way for you to do, okay? So all these places have expectations. And if you're learning at home, do you think maybe it's going to be a good idea to talk to your parents about some learning expectations at home too? Yeah, so maybe you'll have a quiet place set up to learn from while you're at home. Maybe you'll do your work before you get to go play, right? So that would be a good expectations for doing your work at home too. So you need expectations a lot of different places, right?
Yeah.
Okay, yes, and we'll continue to talk about those expectations as we go